Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2007 Toyota Sequoia. It's a V8 rear-wheel drive, SR5. Thing's in really nice shape. A couple of little nicks like that right there. It's got the factory tow package, little ding right here. Tires are good, interior's nice and clean. Everything works on the vehicle. You got 7 passengers, 3 rows. Back here. Has 97,696 miles. We just did the timing belt and water pump on this as preventative maintenance and rear brakes. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride, 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244.